Here's how you can buy PC games from Steam. So first of all, go to your Steam and select Store. In here, if you scroll down, you can load games in this store or library. Now, if you want to search for a specific category game, you can choose category from here, or you can search for a specific game using this search box. So all you have to need, find out the game that you want to buy for your PC. Now click on the game and you directly jump into the game page. Here, scroll down and select the game variant that you want to buy. All you have to need, just click this add to cart next to the variant, and here we can see the game has been added to my card. Now all you have to need, just click on card. In card, here you will find all your added games. So for example, I want to buy only this game, not this one, so I'm just removing this game from my card. And now here I'm clicking on continue to pay. And now first of all, select here your payment method and fill up these forms using your billing information. So add here your first name, last name, billing address, your country, enter here your card expiration date, security code, city, zip code, phone number. Then finally click on continue, and that's how you can actually buy games for your PC from Steam.